Yes guys, welcome to McDonald's Frontera Verde. Here in McDonald's, dito sa parking ng mga bicycle. Here, oh. Ganda naman ng mga bicycle dito guys, oh. Here in sa tapat po ng Valle Verde 2. Alright guys, thank you for watching here in McDonald's Frontera Verde. Alright guys, thank you for watching guys. Bye.